Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, as you can see, we have a huge case haul from Poetic. So big thank you and shout out to them for sending these out free for review. Cases for the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. I didn't see any iPhone 15 Pros, but this one is a mystery case because it doesn't say what it's for. We will have to find out on our own. So let's go ahead, crack these open and see what we've got. I'm gonna set this one off to the side. That'll be the last one we open. Let's start with the iPhone 15s right here. So looks like we've got a Neon Mag Pro MagSafe iPhone 15 case in black. We've also got a Poetic Neon case in black, and we have a Poetic Guardian Mag Pro MagSafe iPhone 15 black clear. So what do we start with? Let's start with this one right here. So we'll slide these off to the side. Let's cut this open and see what we've got inside. Slicing the box open, and here we go. Nothing else in the box. Set that to the side. Rip this open, and here we have, oh my gosh, this is actually cool. So the Neon case, we've reviewed these iterations over the years. Poetic's always sent us cases. They've been very kind about sending us cases to review on the channel. So big thank you, shout out to them. But we've seen this Neon evolve over time, and this is what it's become. And I really like the look of this one. Here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look. Military standard drop protection right here. Looks like it is a dual layer case. Yes, it is. So you've got this interior piece as well as the hard outer shell to kind of keep it intact. Very nice. Looks like we also have a kickstand, which every case should have. Let's grab the iPhone 15 dummy unit here and we'll stick it right in and see how it does. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, this is a perfect fit. Let's test the buttons. Feels perfect right there. No issues at all. Razivity is great, as you guys can clearly see. No issues with razivity. We've got a nice cutout for the speaker at the top. Nice cutout for the mute switch. Volume buttons. This is super grippy case. Down here at the bottom, you can see the cutouts look perfect. And right here, you can see some of the grip actually extends through the case. So when you're holding it in your hand, it just gives you that extra grip. This Neon case used to be kind of mediocre in the past, but this has stepped up the game. This is really nice. I really like this case, what they've done to it. So here's the kickstand, landscape mode, portrait mode. Of course, we got to test MagSafe here. So let's see how strong this magnet is. Of course, the actual phone's not in there, so we're just basing this off of the magnet on there. This is decently strong. I don't think you have any issues with this one. MagSafe feels just fine. We got branding there at the bottom. It says Poetic. The only thing I can say is right here, these are a little floppy on the sides. I don't know how well that'll hold up over time. This actually feels a little more rigid than some of the others, so it probably will be okay, but it's best to just, be careful about that. This is plastic. This is metal right here. So you get that cold touch in your hand. This is one of the grippiest, nicest plastic cases that we've reviewed. I like this case quite a bit. Check this one out. Let's move on to the next. All right, next up we have this one here, the Neon in black. Curious to see this one. This one might not have the kickstand. I'm starting to think that might be the difference here. Let's see what we've got. Nothing else in the box. Pull this one out. Yeah, so this one's a bit of a downgrade. This is more of the basic Poetic Neon. Still got the nice improvements, but without the kickstand on the back, and I don't even think this has MagSafe. Yeah, this one doesn't have MagSafe, so this is going to be automatically a hard one to recommend. In 2023, every case should have MagSafe, including this one. But I guess if you're on a budget, maybe this one's a little cheaper. Missing the kickstand and the MagSafe, this is a no-go for me. Those are deal breakers, but it is still a very nice case if you just want something basic. Button feels exactly the same. Everything on this case is the same as the other, except you're missing out on those two features. Basic case, a lot of grip. Unfortunately, it's missing MagSafe and the kickstand. Let's move on to the next. All right, here we have the Guardian. So these are old school, unless they've changed it up this year. Let's see what they've done with this one because I am excited to see it. So right here we have the screen protector or not, you decide. I love that. Every year Poetic's been doing that. Other case manufacturers, they force you to use their screen protector included, and some people don't like it. Personally, I would use it without it, but let's go ahead and rip this open and see how this looks. Actually, this looks different than last year. They have upgraded this quite a bit, actually. So here it is. Let's unbox it all the way. And here it is. Let's grab the iPhone, put it in face first here, and then straight into the case like so. We are good to go. That is what it looks like on the back. I think that looks really sick. Really cool look on the back there. And then on the front, that's what it looks like. Button feel is great. The case doesn't feel super tight. For some reason, it feels like the screen protector wants to come up. So we are going to obviously recommend using it without the screen protector. It's just a frame because I recommend putting tempered glass screen protector on your phone anyway. All your button cutouts right here are completely covered, which is nice. Also down here, your USB-C port is covered. Over here, you got some really nice grip. I like this material. It says Poetic right there. Button feel, like I said, is great. No issues at all. Camera resivity, pretty good. On the front, doesn't matter because you've got a screen protector. But we have to test MagSafe, so here we go. Moment of truth. Very good. Obviously, there's not a real phone in there, but this is super strong. This is probably the strongest yet. This is definitely getting a pass from me. So very nice right here with this one. I recommend this case. If you're looking for more of a rugged case, this is a great one to check out. All right, next up, let's take a look at the Pro Max case because I know a lot of you guys are gonna be interested in this one. This is the Guardian MagSafe iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So we'll pull this one out. Nothing else in the box. We can set that off to the side. Let's go ahead and unbox all this. Kind of like these ones that aren't taped. It's just a lot easier to open. Here is that same screen protector or not, you decide. So obviously you can choose. I like that. I always like having choices. Got to give credit where credit's due. I don't like this plastic. I absolutely hate this sound. But anyways, here is the case itself. Looks exactly the same as the other. So we will grab the 15 Pro Max here and we'll stick it in and see how it does. Should be just the same as the other one. Look at these corners. These are very rugged. And you can see if you did drop your phone, that air cushion should absorb most of the shock. Exactly the same as the other one, except this one has the action button and ports are still covered. Resivity is the same. It's just MagSafe. This is just like the other one. Almost makes it look like a Samsung for some reason. Are you guys getting that vibe too? Not a fan of that, but the case itself is really nice. Button feels great. If you are looking for a rugged case, this is the one to get. Check it out. Of course, links to all these down below, but let's move on to the next ones because we got some other unique ones coming up. All right, let's just do this mystery case. I don't know what device this is for, but I'm curious at this point. I don't even know what's inside. Looks like we have screen protector or not, you decide. So we'll leave that in there because we know what that is. Installation guide, we already know how to do it. Okay, so this is the exact same thing, but without MagSafe. So we're not gonna review this one and show you guys because it's the exact same thing, but you guys get the idea. Looks the same as the other, no MagSafe. Personally, can't recommend that in 2023. If you don't like MagSafe for some reason, this is one that you could use. Serious question, who doesn't like MagSafe? It's awesome. 3 more to review here. These are for the 15 Plus, which is a phone that I don't think anyone is actually buying. It's probably the least selling iPhone for good reason. It's big, way too big, and it lacks a lot of the pro features. So I don't know why anyone would buy it, but if you did, and you want a case from Poetic, let's check these out. We have 2 neons and we have a Guardian. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we've got. All right, so this is just like the other one that we reviewed. So let's go ahead and grab the 15 Plus here and stick it right in. There we go. It is loaded up. And I mean, this is an ginormous phone. And if you have this phone, I don't know what to tell you. I guess you like big phones with less features, but there you go. This is the 15 Plus case from Poetic. It's a very nice case. Definitely, this is one of probably our favorite right now that Poetic makes. Just love how the grip is and it just feels so good in the hand, and the button feel is great. No issues there. It's a 2-piece design, two layers. It's got the inner layer that's softer for shock absorption, the outside for, you know, scratch resistance and just keeping it looking good. We also have MagSafe here. Test it out. Works great. No issues there. Kickstand, of course, works great. It can also be used as like a finger ring as well. So it's not the best at that, but it can be used as such. So overall, this is a really nice case for a mediocre phone. Anyways, I'm gonna stop shitting on the 15 Plus, but this case is really nice. Let's move on to the next. All right, let's open up this one here. I'm hoping that it's not the exact same case, but without MagSafe. I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, it is. Okay, so this is the exact same case we just reviewed, just without the MagSafe. So again, if you're into that, you can go for it, but I'm not gonna show you this again. I'm not gonna waste your time. It's the exact same thing as the other one, but no MagSafe. This is a nice hard polycarbonate shell though. I do like that. And I like this inner piece being soft. So you get that great grip, which shows through right here. And lastly, we have this one. This is their Guardian series. It is black. I wish they would have thrown in some other colors. That would have been really neat to check out. Same thing, no screen protector. I definitely recommend using this one, of course. Thank you card right here. Let's crack this open and give it a shot. Should be just the same as the others, but let's find out. All right, let's put it in here, button side first, and then stick this right in. And there you go. If you have the 15 Plus, you can get yourself one of these Guardian cases. I really like these. Very nice button feel, covered up ports. I mean, if you're looking for a rugged case, you can't go wrong with this one. You really can't. It comes with the screen protector. You don't have to use it if you don't want. It comes with MagSafe. I highly recommend getting the one with MagSafe rather than the one without. So make sure you double check at checkout if it has the MagSafe. Yeah, this is an awesome case if you need something more rugged. The grip on the sides, Poetic has nailed it with this grip. I love it. It's subtle, doesn't make a big statement, but you can feel it and it's grippy. It's a good material. Very well done, Poetic. I like these cases. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below on Poetic. Have you ever used one of their cases? What are your thoughts? If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.